Hi students, today in our class we are going to study about challenges to national integration. Let's start our class. The first challenge to national integration is regionalism. Regionalism, first we understand here the meaning of regionalism. Regionalism refers to extreme loyalty or or love to a particular region which may undermine the interest of the nation. It means particular region or the particular state, particular place, the people of that place become very emotional and sentiment when the matter come for the region or a state. They become very emotional. They never think about they are the citizens of the nation, just they give importance to that region, that place. It a kind of feeling, we feeling or sentiment. It always undermines the interest of the nation and also national unity. It affects national unity. Regionalism has assumed mainly four forms. Remember, the first is demand for a separate nation from the Indian Union. The people of particular region or a state demand for separate state from on the basis of language or border lines. And the next is demand for a separate statehood. We can also give some there are some examples here, like Bundelkhand of Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh, Telangana of Andhra Pradesh. The various groups demanding the formation of separate statehood for so many reasons, for language base, for the borderline problem. The nation always face such challenges when the matter comes for such problem, arises such problems. The next form of regionalism is demand for full-fledged statehood. This was another yet manifestation of regionalism in India. Was a demand of union territories for full-fledged statehood, like example like here the Delhi. The another form of regionalism is interstate disputes. The first such disputes took place where between Karnataka and Maharashtra and Punjab, Haryana. There are so many for so many reasons, like water disputes, for the for we can see the Kaveri river examples here. When such problems arises, the nation it affect always the national integration. Here the people think about that region or a particular region, their state. It always hinders the national unity. The next problem, the next challenge that face the country for national integration is communalism. It was one of the big problem. Communalism is it's a practice by the members of one community. It means communalism means the members of one community against the people of other community or a religion. It always this such problems always arises when the country have so many community or religions. The problem arises communalism. In the words of Bipin Chandra, he says communalism is the product of a particular society, economy, and political, which creates such problems. The next problem of linguism is linguism. The next challenges to national integration is linguism. We can understand linguism is one-sided love and admiration towards one's language and hate towards other language. Sometimes it create a violent and kind of that harmful for the nation. It can be extreme love for the and admiration to the particular language. There are so many examples in our country, different states. We can find this linguism problem. The next challenges to national integration is extremism or terrorism. It refers to the readiness on the part of an individual or a group to go to any extreme, even to undemocratic, violent, and harmful means to fulfill their objectives. Extremism and terrorism, we can these problems such arises last years, and it become a common in every country. We can saw such problems. It become a challenge to the nation. In addition to these factors, these challenges, the country also faces challenges like corruption, poverty, unemployment, and there are a gap between the rich and the poor. These are also the major challenges or problems to national integration that every nation has to face. So these are the challenges to national integration. Hope you understand. Thanks for